This segment of the Angus Report is brought to you by the Tag Store. The Tag Store is a cattle producer's one-stop, low-cost shop for custom printed ID systems, including visual tags, e-tags, and choice set options. Visit CustomCattleTags.com for more information or to order tags today.
Welcome back. Joining us today, we have Ann Lampe, President of the American Angus Auxiliary, with us. Ann's here today to talk to us about the organization. Now you guys are celebrating your big 60th year anniversary this year, so tell our viewers a little bit about the American Angus Auxiliary.
Thank you. The American Angus Auxiliary is an organization dedicated to the present and future of the Angus breed, to Angus juniors and to Angus breeders.
So what types of things does the auxiliary do to accomplish those goals?
One of our main goals is focused on the youth of the Angus industry or the Angus breed. A lot of the programs that we focus on is to recognize youth and their achievements. We have a scholarship program, which was one of our oldest programs. The first scholarship was given in about 1956. From there, that program has just grown to what it is today, where we give about $12,000 in scholarships every year. And we also give a wide variety of awards that recognize youth achievements in the show ring and also in educational and leadership type projects.
Now you have a big heifer auction coming up this summer. Tell us a little bit about that.
Our project, we call it The Tradition Continues. We will be auctioning a bred heifer that has been donated by Gardner Angus Ranch from Ashland, Kansas. They have gone out and chose one of their top spring heifers and donated it to the auxiliary, and she will be auctioned off at public auction in June during the All-American Breeders' Fraternity in Louisville, Kentucky. And all proceeds from that sale will go directly to benefit our scholarship and awards endowments that are held within the Angus Foundation.
And if someone's interested in participating in the auction or helping the auxiliary, what types of things do you recommend?
Well, to get in touch with us or myself, and of course we would take phone-in bids or call-in bids that day. We could carry some bids for you. Also, I would also encourage you to contact Mark Gardner at Gardner Angus Ranch, and Mark would be more than happy to share their program with you, share everything he knows about this heifer and about her genetics and what she can do for your herd. At the same time, celebrate our youth and ensure for a future of our scholarship and awards programs.
Okay. So it sounds like the auxiliary does a lot of things to really help Angus youth and also to promote the breed. What types of people out there should be thinking about becoming a member of the auxiliary?
Well, I like to say we kind of have something for everyone. Our membership is very diverse. We have women from all states. Our membership is currently about 844. We have like I said, a wide variety of committees and different interests that women, whether you can even attend our meetings and stuff where we only have 2 meetings a year, we have a lot of women that are involved in their committee chairs and they're helping out to bring our mission to fruition. That is, they're doing it from their homes and their ranches and stuff, and they're not able to attend meetings, but that's fine too. And like I said, we have a strong presence on the internet, through social media. We have a Facebook page, so we try to keep connected. So even if you're not traveling to any of our events or meetings, we have a place for you.
Okay, well, it sounds like there's just about a little bit of everything for anyone within your organization.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Well, if you would like to learn more about the American Angus Auxiliary, visit angusauxiliary.com or the Facebook page you mentioned earlier today.
Yeah, you can find that under American Angus Auxiliary.
All right. Well, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you.